Model, Vauxhall Vivaro 2700 Cdti. Body, silver, camper. Mileage, 80,011. MOT, the 15th of September 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6115 PSE 5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Has rock and roll bed and fully carpeted in the back. This one also has electrics in the back and will make a great home away from home. Features, 2 former keepers, 2 keys, reverse